Today we are going to practice more questions of T-shape account. So first of all, as I told you, we have one format like in this way. First of all, draw a T. Now T, after drawing T of the same width, you have to draw the two columns. Okay, then we will start, and here you will write whatever the question is. This side is debit, this side is credit, and particular amount, particular amount. Now it is clearly mentioned, you have to write record, increase. If we are making furniture, increase in furniture on this side, this way. You have to write in the exam. I gave you one keyword when we have started this chapter, that is ID, your ID. I means increase that side. If we are increasing that side, noting increasing that side, it means we should note down decrease this side. So it's very easy. Record decrease in furniture on this side. And we are going to make furniture. And just now I told you this question is given on page number 6.21. So those who don't have book, I am giving you the question. You should note down. First of all, question. Then I'll tell you how to do that. See the question. Open T-shape account. Clearly give it. Open T-shape account with the following information one by one. First is furniture purchase 20,000. Second is furniture sold, maybe old furniture sold 5,000. Note down first. Third, furniture again purchase, and furniture again purchased for 8,000. Then fourth, old furniture discarded, old furniture discarded 2,500. And fifth, furniture's value reduce, means depreciation, that is 2,000. That is 2,000. Children, note down the question. Note down the question. Himang, note down the question. Show me your notebook, beta. Note down the question, then I'll tell you how to fill it. Anvita, please on your video. Nishtha Jain, someone is with you also, beta? Meg Bajaj, note down the question.
Noted.
Yes, note down the question, what I am saying. Now see, when we have to fill that part in the question, or we can say in that format, we can follow the method, one method only, that is ID method. I means increase this side, decrease this side. So one by one, when furniture purchase, you will enter this side simply. Furniture purchase, or you can write for furniture purchase, your cash is going out. So you can write in this way also to cash, furniture purchase, 20,000. Why in debit side? Because value of furniture is increasing. Then go to that side for second transaction. Buy cash. Why? Because you will write furniture sold, and that is for 5,000 only. Then again third transaction, to cash, furniture purchase. Again that is for 8,000. So see children, by the purchase the value will increase, and by the sell value will decrease. No, so then next fourth transaction, if you don't know it, furniture discarded means nothing is realized, but the value of furniture goes down. So you can write this way, by furniture discarded. Discarded means maybe rejected, 2,500. Then fifth, one by one I am explaining you. First, furniture purchase means value increase. Then furniture sold means value decrease. Then again furniture purchase means value of furniture increase. Furniture discarded means value of furniture goes down. And last, depreciation. Depreciation means the value of furniture is reducing by 2,000. Now what to do? Just make the lines, do the total of this side, and the total of this side is 28,000. Do the total of this side, and the total of this side is 9,500. Then you can find out balance. Keep in mind, balance means the remaining amount, 28,000 minus 9,500. The balance is 18,500. Balance is 18,500, and at the end, final total, that is 28,000. This side also, final total 28,000. Final total always end up with the double lines. Note down children. First, this is question in the book on page number 6.21, furniture account, T-shape account, ID concept, I means increase on debit side, decrease on credit side. In liabilities, you have DI concept. Decrease in debit side, increase in credit side. But here that is asset account, furniture account, as I told you. In the same question, they can tell you to make more T-shape accounts. We will practice them tomorrow. Today you have to do that. Then I'll give you another question. And the next question is on page number 6.30. Copy it down. Next question is on page number. Yes, children, I'm sure you all must copy it down. Part Kachava. Note it down. Show me your copy, beta. Then note down from the screen. Sarthak Singh, show me your copy, beta. See, you are doing, maybe you are doing in rough copy, as I can see. Make a fair copy, proper copy of school. Or make a register if you don't have school copy, proper. Because within few days, we will tell to submit your copy. So do it in a proper way, Sarthak. Tanishq Malik, show your copy to others so that they can make it by this way. Sarthak and Kachawa, please see. Himang Tuteja, show your copy, beta. Show your today's work. I am unable to see. I am unable to see. See, you are also doing in a very rough way, beta. Make the lines with the scale and do it in a proper way. If you are doing in your rough copy, then you have to do these questions again. Yes, Kritika, show me your copy, beta. Show me your copy. You are also doing in rough copy, my dear. Krish Gupta, your notebook, beta. Show me your copy. So children, now I am going to give you another question. And that question is from your book and it is given on page number 6.30. Page number 6.30. And in this question, we have to prepare machinery account. This side is credit. This side is debit. Okay. And I am going to give you the question. Please note down. Those who don't have book, don't worry. Note down the question. Machinery purchase. Machinery purchase 5 lakh. Old machinery sold 1,20,000. Machinery discarded. Old machinery discarded 50,000. New machinery purchase, that is 2 lakh. And machinery destroyed due to some accident, due to obsolete, any reason may be there, 40,000. And the question is, prepare T-shape account. Yes, children, now start doing that question. By the same way, only the term change. In place of furniture, you are making machinery account. In place of furniture, you are making machinery account. So by the same way, you will write record, see increase in machinery on this side, and this side you will write record decrease in machinery on this side. So first of all, machinery purchase. So first transaction, you will write to cash machine purchase, and that will be for 5 lakh. Then second transaction, buy cash machine sold 1,20,000. Then third transaction, buy machine discarded 50,000. Then fourth transaction, to cash machine purchase 2 lakh. Last fifth transaction. Now Harshvardhan will tell us machine destroyed. Where to show it? Machine destroyed.
On credit side.
Yes. By machine destroyed. Destroyed is of 40,000. Good answer. Now what to do? Just total. And the total of this side is 7 lakh. And total of this side is 2,10,000. Simply find out the balance. 4,90,000 over 7 lakh, and with double line 7 lakh. See, now I'll ask the question, and Chirag Vijay, show me your copy. Have you made this question? Have you done this question? Show. fast, children. Note down. See, while you will make T-shape account for asset, that is very clear ID concept. I means increase in debit side, decrease in credit side, and you can see the screen. Note down. First of all, you should know the concept, ID concept. I means increase debit side, D decrease in credit side. ID concept. Mayur, do you understood better what I? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
So today we completed the topic of T-shape account, and from tomorrow onwards we will start accounting equations, because numerical part is a little bit difficult, so we have to do the questions accordingly. So in asset we have to know about ID concept. And while we will do the account of liability, we should reverse that. Means DI concept. Decrease in debit side, increase in credit side. That is the difference only. Yes, now, any doubt? Do you want to discuss anything? How to find out the balance? Just total both the sides and find out the difference. That difference will be treated as balance. Now I am giving you one question for homework. Note down. Prepare a plant account. Prepare a plant account in T-shape, T-shape, plant purchase 1 lakh, old plant sold, Parth Kachawa on your video, old plant sold 5,000, new plant purchased 20,000, and last depreciation on plant 3,000. Depreciation on plant 3,000. Make a T-shape account. Okay, and for next class I will be there at 10:30.